Okay, good morning again, student. Now, student, today I am going to start the question answer of chapter 11. So, yesterday I have sent you the pictures of the exercises from the book. Okay, so hope you all have done. Okay, now see, uh, the exercises is completed. Now, do these questions and answer in your notebook. So, write down chapter 11. Okay, chapter 11, page 114. Okay, 114. So student, I am not writing the questions, only writing the answers. So you fill both in your notebook. Answer number 1. Now see, what are luminous objects? So what are luminous objects? So on that class we all have discussed that luminous objects are the object which gives us light. The main source of light is sun. Okay, now bulb, candle, tube light, these all are fireflies. Okay, so these are the luminous object. So see here, luminous object and object that gives out light of its own is known as luminous object. Okay, example, sun, bulb. Okay, bas. Now answer number 2. Now how is sound produced? Okay, how is sound produced? So sound is produced by vibrating objects. Okay, these are the short answers. So only one line answer is this. How is sound produced? So sound is produced by vibrating objects. Okay, now see, what does force help us to do? Force हमें क्या help करता है करने के लिए? Okay, so what does force help us to do? Answer number 3. Force helps us to do many activities in our day to day life. Okay, day to day life. So these are the 3 question answer. So please do it this, then I will do the 4th one. Now see, student, answer number 4 also I am writing. What is noise? So loud and unpleasant sound is called समय से लाउड एंड अनप्लीजेंट साउंड्स आते हैं. तो दीज आर द फोर्थ वन ऑल्सो. Now see question number 5th. Question number, answer number 5th. Okay. 5th is, which force slows down the motion? So which force? The friction is a kind of motion. Friction is a kind of force that slows down the motion. Okay, which slows down the motion. So these are all about the short answers. So please do it in your note copy, student. Do it fast, student. Okay students, so I hope you all have completed this. So tomorrow I will start the long question answer from chapter 11. So keep practicing and learning. Stay safe. Bye.